In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a gorilla step by step. For a more detailed breakdown of this process, including still images that you can follow along with, just follow the link in the description below or visit howtodrawstuff.com. Begin your drawing by drawing 3 overlapping circular shapes. These 3 shapes will make up the main body portion of the gorilla. Be sure that the top shape is more like an oval. This shape will become the head of the gorilla. Next, draw a diagonal line down from the top oval that you drew in the last step. This line will represent the neck. You should also draw the shapes for the arms in this step. Notice where the lines of the arms intersect the main body of the gorilla. This is important in making the gorilla look natural. In this step, you can draw a few lines to indicate where the facial features will be placed on the head of the gorilla. You can also add a few wrinkles in the chest area of the animal. Add a couple of lines on the left side of his body to indicate where the upper back, midsection, and lower body intersect. Also draw a line for the left leg and finish off the bottom of the arms with a couple of shapes for the hands. Now you can add a bit of character to the gorilla by drawing the facial features using the guidelines that you drew in the last step. Also draw a couple of shapes for the feet of the gorilla in this stage as well. Believe it or not, you already have enough information on your paper to finish the drawing of a gorilla. Just go over your lines with a darker material, perhaps like ink. Erase the lines that you no longer need and add a sense of fur to the body by making your lines a little sketchy around the outlines. Add a bit of shadow to the body as well and you're finished.